Oke, kita kesampingkan semua vaksin anak-anak. Terlepas dari apapun pandangan Anda tentang vaksin, kalau Anda masih merasa jus COVID adalah juru selamat waktu pandemi, wah, Anda ketinggalan jauh sekali.
So these people that have had this vaccine, I'm sorry to tell you, you've compromised your body. You have compromised your health. And one cardiologist said, by having the jab, you've compromised your heart. So this is what the government has done to you. This is what the bureaucrats have done to you. You led like sheep to the slaughter. You were led like sheep to the slaughter over having this vaccination against your will. If you wanted to have the vaccine, that was your choice. But when people were forced and they lost their jobs because they had to have the vaccine, that's what I'm angry about. That's what needs to be exposed here. People's liberty and their rights were stripped from them.
Bahkan pemerintah Amerika dalam website officialnya udah mengakui kalau pertama, virus COVID itu bukan virus alami. Dan penanganan selama pandemi, kebijakan-kebijakan pemerintah, WHO, itu banyak yang salah dan ternyata terbukti tidak efektif. Social distancing, pakai masker, lockdown, itu semua tidak efektif ternyata. Padahal sudah banyak rakyat yang menderita kerugian besar akibat itu. Dan siapa yang mempengaruhi pemerintah untuk membuat kebijakan-kebijakan seperti ini? Ini adalah Bapak Anthony Fauci. Dan dia tidak dituntut pertanggungjawaban atas kesalahannya, namun dimaafkan. Wow, pemurah hati sekali ya.
Maybe you love every vaccine, and you love every mask mandate, and you love stay-at-home orders. But what happens when the day comes when the government requires you or your children to get a product you don't want? Because it's going that way if we don't stop them. And then when they do that, then what are you going to do?
If the government can make you inject something into your body that you don't want, then there's nothing the government cannot do to you. This is the final line.
Bahkan World Economic Forum aja sudah mengakui kalau COVID ini adalah latihan kepatuhan.